Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna do a little mowing in the rain. Was gonna mow the commercial property, but it's like soaked from last night. But I'm gonna try to get this property right here done. I know you're probably looking at the sky, but yeah. But I'm gonna try to get this one done before it starts raining even more. And yeah, then we're gonna go home and do a little maintenance on the mower. So if you just wanna watch. If you just don't, it's whatever. Yeah, I was just gonna do a little update here. I did take a little break from filming because we got a little too busy there for about 2 weeks. And when I say too busy, I mean daylight to dark every day. I'm still kindly doing that, but figured, hey, why not bring you all with me, if that's all right with you all. But yeah, I seen that we're up to 3,300 subscribers, so thank you to all the new subscribers and all that. So we're gonna get you set up on this tripod right here, and we're gonna get a little mowing done. This is the property. We got this house and this house right in the middle of town. But yeah, Phipps Mowing Landscaping will do it. Alright guys, so we're back home. I do need to back the trailer up just a little bit more so I can get it back in the garage and jack it up and get it off the truck. So let's Let's back her up just a bit more here. That should be good right there. And then, yeah, it should be good. All right, let me get the blocks real quick. They're on the other side of the trailer here. Okay, we got the blocks now. Start unhooking it here. Where big is it? Right there. Perfect spot. Alright, let's take the hooks off. Pull the plug out. Now we start jacking. Actually, I need to get the skag off the trailer real quick. Let's hook her back up. Alright, let me pull the skag off the trailer real quick so we can do some work on it while the truck's in the shop today. I did just clean it up real good yesterday. I need to go down here and spray it off before I do any work. Washed it, put a coat of wax on it. You know, it's good to do to your mowers every now and then, because then, you know, you wash them with degreaser and it just wears them out and gives them that dull look. So yeah, get you set up here and we'll get the skag off the trailer. Alright guys, simple as that. Got the skag off the trailer, ready to go. Now let's go and hook the trailer and jack it up. Gotta take to the truck to the dealership, something for the tailgate, I don't know. My mom works down there over the service and she said that the truck has a recall. So, just gonna take it down there, get it fixed while we're kinda off today. So we could be done mowing, but it's too wet at the commercial properties. Don't wanna make a mess. Yeah. Alright, got the trailer off the ball here, so should be good to go. Not gonna roll nowhere. Need to chalk the wheels real quick, just in case. Then, need to work on the mower. Probably to take the blades off, sharpen them, grease it, all that jazz. So, we'll get into that when we get back from dropping the truck off. But, little garage update, we got everything done. The electric's hooked up. We just gotta get it hooked up from the juice pole over yonder. And we do have a couple little toys in here. We got my papa just bought this race truck. The rear end gear here is tore all to pieces, so he's gotta get new gear for it. This is my buddy's 45th anniversary 5th gen Camaro stick car. Runs really good. Took the heads off, going to get them ported and all that jazz. So, not ported, shimmed and all that. So, everything's laid out here. This shouldn't be here too much longer. We're gonna get it all worked out and should be fixed in no time. I'll show you. There's some tools in there. But I ain't gonna worry about it. But here's all the stuff for that. Got a nice, we went and bought a toolbox. Got all the impacts, all that jazz. And you got all your sockets. And wrenches are in the next drawer. Then up here you got basic screwdrivers, Phillips, straights, Torx, and I don't know what these are. Some square heads. So, yeah, that's about it for the garage. We just need to work on the skag a little bit when we get back, and we should be done for the day and edit this video and post it. So, yeah. I'm gonna tear into the mower. Probably, well, never mind, we got the jack up under the rear end of the truck and I can't take it out. So, don't look like we're gonna be working on the mower today. So, sorry about that, guys. We'll probably do it in the next video when I can get the jack out from under the truck. And yeah, so if you did enjoy today's video, go in there and drop a like. I know there wasn't much content to it other than mowing that 1 yard, blowing it off, and all that stuff. So if you did enjoy this video, go in there and drop a like. And if you do want to see more content like this, go in there and hit that subscribe button. We're getting really close to 3,500. It'd be great if we could hit it by probably the end of September, going into October, because it's going to slow down a little bit because mowing's about to be over and all that. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, go in there and drop a like, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me and motivates me to make more videos. So I'll see y'all in the next video.